Hi everyone, I'm Gwendolyn from Wyze, here for another episode of Tips on Tuesday. Today, I want to continue last week's tech support theme. In this video, I will discuss what a Routethis test is and how it works from your end. Like with factory resets, if tech support hasn't asked you to do this, there's really not much reason to. This video is just intended to help out if you are ever asked to run a Routethis test. Alright, so Routethis is a third-party app that we have a partnership with. Using this app, we can use your phone or tablet to test how well your Wyze Cam should be able to connect with our servers. This helps us narrow down if a problem is happening at the server, network, or camera level. It's a great way to rule out network issues and figure out what's going on by giving us more of a line of sight for what the Wyze Cam uses when trying to connect. So if you're having connection problems, you may be asked for a Routethis test by tech support. Here's how you do it. First, go into your device's app store. For me, it's the Google Play Store, because I use Android devices. Then search for Routethis Helps and download it. Next, open the app. When it prompts you for a code, type in WYZE. This isn't case sensitive, so don't worry when you see the app capitalize it. Following that, make sure that your phone or tablet is connected to the same 2.4 GHz network that your Wyze Cam is connected to, and put it next to the camera that is causing problems for you. After verifying the network and device placement, press the button labeled I moved it. That is basically the start button here. Your scan will take a few minutes, and when it's done, you will receive a code that you can copy and send back to your tech support agent. If you run multiple tests, you will probably receive the same code. Don't worry, we can see them all using that code. Sometimes, we may need you to run the test again if it got interrupted or if we want you to reset your router and take it again. But usually it comes through okay. Just make sure to let the app run until it's done without minimizing or navigating away from that screen, because that can interrupt the test. And that wraps it up. Remember, if you run a Routethis test, you are more than welcome to ask your tech for information about your test. Thanks for watching, folks, and tune in next time for Tips on Tuesday.